Hi, this is Gene Fay with Nine Technology TV. Thank you for joining us today. Today I've got Michael Godovic, the owner of South Florida Computer Specialists. Michael, thank you for joining us today.
You're welcome, Gene. Thank you for inviting me.
Oh, fantastic. Michael, why don't we start off today with you telling the viewers a little bit about your business.
South Florida Computer Specialists is a on-site computer specialist service provider. We provide managed services to small and medium-sized companies, anywhere from 5 to about 50 to 75 seats. And we also work with the individual public on computer repair, laptop repair, and such.
Sure.
Been in business for about 6 years.
Okay, fantastic. And what are the kind of some of the things that really differentiate your business from some of the other MSPs in your market?
We've really focused on our brand, the South Florida Computer Specialist brand, and working with partners who can help us brand great products so that we can offer those to our customers. There's really no other individual service providers out here that are really moving forward with one single brand, one single solution, and that's our strategy, and it's worked well for us.
Great, fantastic. So, I mean, how, in terms of online backup, I mean, we're very excited to have your company as a partner of Nine Technology. And when it comes to promoting online backup, how do you really kind of look at that in comparison to some of your other solutions that you offer to your customers?
Well, it's really a unique solution for us. We really have two markets that we can attack with the online backup for Nine Technologies. We can attack the public at large, which is just about anybody who has a laptop or a desktop computer. And we can also provide managed service portion to our managed service providers, backing up their servers, their desktops. And really that's the two-pronged approach that we're using to do that. We try to attack the public with two websites that we have, individual domains where we've built websites around the product, the backup product. And Nine Technologies has provided us with all the information that we really need to differentiate our product from everything else that's on the market. It makes it easy for us to promote the product.
Oh, fantastic. And the other thing, you know, when you look at this service, I mean, both you and I have spoken before about the importance of online backup, but, you know, there's still a lot of people out there that either are not doing it or feel that just having an external hard drive hooked up to their laptop or their server is good enough for their backups. How do you help them understand that really going to an online backup and recovery solution offered by your organization is the way to go?
Really, we've interviewed a lot of people who sit there and where we become psychologists, actually, where they're crying over their hard drives and wanting their data back, and sitting there, and we have to explain to them that anything that's electrical, that moves, that spins, is a point of failure in their network. Whether it's an external hard drive, an internal hard drive, that it's not a question of if it's going to fail, it's when it's going to fail, and when that opportune time actually happens. It is a possibility to have your hard drive fail and your backup hard drive fail at the same time. And even if you're trading those in and out, there is a point of how much data you will lose even when that happens. Fairly easy to explain that we're taking that liability away from your company, managing that in the cloud where somebody else manages their servers, where they don't have to worry about a failure. There's redundancy in the system. So truly they are backed up with redundancy and can get to their data at any point in time that they need to have that data. Unlike a hard drive failure where you may have to send it out and wait for that to come back, online is very instantaneously and can work in conjunction with a hard drive or other backup systems that they have in place already.
No, absolutely. Yeah, no, that's absolutely very, very true. You know, the other question I had for you is, now that we've been working together for a while, you know, what's the overall response been from your customers about the Powered by Nine solution hosted, working with you guys?
It's been absolutely wonderful. Really, one of the big differentiators between our product that's backed by Nine and everybody else that's out on the market is they have that personal touch. They get to talk with us when there's a problem. We can take a look, get into the software, fix most problems from the control panel that we have, smile. We're a win-win with our customers, whereas if they have one of our other competitors out on the market, they're emailing back and forth. I've actually had one recent customer that converted from another company just because she couldn't deal with the customer service aspect of it and wanted to deal with us because of our personal touch that we add to all that. That really is the biggest differentiator in this whole market. We can beat our competitors no matter who they are with our customer service.
No, absolutely. Hey, Michael, one last question before I let you go. What advice would you give to other MSPs that are evaluating whether to sign up with the Powered by 9, signing up with 9 Technology?
Well, one, 9 Technology is a great partner to partner up with, and I think one of the outstanding features is the portal that we have. The ease and control that you have inside that portal, although it's not intuitive, getting into that portal gives us the ability to go in and do things like change passwords, change backup schedules, correct issues that the customer may be having instantaneously. It lets us have the ultimate control over the software piece where our competitors don't have that same control. It truly is a unique piece to this whole offering, and one of the deciding factors that we use in using 9 as a partner. The portal is probably that key piece. It really gives you a lot of flexibility, and I would urge all the partners to really take a good look at that. And if you don't understand it, please attend the seminars that 9 Technology is putting out. They're invaluable to you finding out how to make your job easier with this product and going forward and being able to serve your customers with fantastic customer service.
Well, fantastic. Well, thank you for the compliments. And we're very excited about our partnership with your organization. And thank you very much for your time. Again, this is Gene Fay, Senior Vice President at 9 Technology. Thank you for joining us today on this episode of 9 Technology TV.